While there are no statistics on delays in Uganda's courts of law, there are countless cases that have been pending for years. Although the delays to deliver justice are partly blamed on understaffing in courts and pre-trial investigations, there are judges who, in their powers, keep postponing judgments even after hearings is closed.
I don't know, maybe...
Speaking at the 22nd annual judges meeting, the Chief Justice Bart Katurebe said it's important to penalize judges who take long to write decisions.
You have had a trial. The parties have appeared before you, witnesses have been called, people have submitted, the lawyers have made their submissions, you have reserved your judgment. What excuse do you have to spend a year, 2 years without delivering judgment? Should we start looking at this as a problem of competence and diligence, with the possibility that disciplinary action can ensue if you have no reasonable excuse to give why your judgment is delayed beyond either the stipulated period or beyond a reasonable time?
Simon Peter Chinobe, the president of Uganda Law Society, who delivered the day's keynote address, urged the judges to own their courtrooms.
For as long as you give a lot of leeway to advocates, what happens is abuse of due process and abuse of court process.
The judges also discussed electronic case management system as a way of monitoring files to avoid unnecessary delays.
It will now instigate the person handling the case to make sure there are no delays, because the person knows there are supervisors who are monitoring what is happening in his court.
It is hoped that these initiatives, coupled with a push to increase staff numbers, will finally clear case backlog and reduce on the time spent adjudicating cases. The judges meet for the final day tomorrow to approve the resolutions made since Monday, and we will wait for a year to see if they will make an impact on service delivery in the judiciary. Edward Muhumza, NTV Tonight.